Hi everyone, we are in Barcelona after the YCS, and after the tournament has ended, we are with the top 8 contendant Rocco Tamburlini. Hi Rocco.
Hi.
What deck did you play?
Wind up.
Why did you choose to play wind-ups?
Because it's mermaid is a buy, but I lost to mermaid.
Go Rocco. How did you do in Swiss?
8 win and 2 draw.
Nice. So you ended the Swiss undefeated.
Yeah.
And which decks did you play against in Swiss?
4 wind up, 2 mermaid.
The finalist, Federico.
Yeah.
Your friend.
Yeah.
And okay, let's go with deck profile, and you will explain us why you chose to play this way. Go.
Okay. 3 wind up rabbit, the best card. 3 shark, staple. 2 rat, staple. 3 magician, you have to play 3. Level 2 guide, Sangan, 2 Thunder King.
Why did you choose to play 2?
Because against Girgia is very good, and against Mermaid is also good.
At least at the first turn.
And wind up obviously.
And the Abyss Pike.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 Maxi. And 1 Vader for Anthrop. I love Anthrop. I don't know why people don't play Anthrop in wind up. It's just unneeded. And yeah, not 3 Maxi because I lost to Girgia. So yeah, in that and Girgia. Yeah.
Okay, these were the monsters. Then spells.
3 wind up factory. Yeah. 3 Typhoon, Mermaid. Factory, Potterflowers, mine, Reborn, Eevee, and Rocco.
These were the spells, then over to the traps.
Yeah. Very good call. That was
well, but maybe in this metagame with so many decks that do OTKs, it might be risky to play.
No, Shockmaster. This card is.
Okay.
That was Sun Warning. Bottomless. I like it. Double 20 for rabbit. And double Fiendish Chain.
Oh, what's that again?
My friends told me to play this. People play compulsory, but against Mermaid is a dead draw. And this is really, really good against Mermaid. Seems like it's not good, but it is. So. And against wind up is also good.
It's good against Megalo.
Yeah, because they discard Marshman and Linde, so you change this is a +1, and also against Gergia is good. So yeah, win many games.
Okay, this was the main deck. Over to the exo deck.
Okay.
Maybe one of the most difficult parts in the wind-up because of the tight space.
Yeah, maybe. This, just one. I don't know. 1 Zeman. Leave it. Yeah, I win against Chaos Dragon over Gearless. Tempo. Gigabillion for OTK combo. Leviathan for Master, Shockmaster.
Best card in there.
Okay. Photon, Papyrus Alternative. Okay. This is really good for combo.
No.
Dweller.
Which one?
I know. Dweller. Mermaid.
Top 8.
Yeah.
You lost because you didn't make the Dweller.
Because
yeah.
you don't know the combo.
And over Sangan, I beat many Sangan with this. Very good. Tyrus for L5. Zemayo against random deck. Adeus. Yeah.
That's good.
It's okay.
And now the side deck.
For Girgia and Inzetto matchup, deck you can side Vader. Three-dimensional fisher, mermaid, yeah, Cast Dragon, Dark One.
Dark World, especially.
Yeah, the best card. And mermaid. Three nobleman. I lost, as I said, against Georgia, so I want to remove that armor. So it's really good. Yeah, it's better than come si chiama?
System down.
Yeah, it's better than System Down. Double Soul Taker, the best. I side this against Inzetter because Inzetter play Roar against yeah, random deck like Chamber, Final Countdown, and Mirror Match. Mirror Match I just side one. Yeah, it's good. Shadow Imperial Mirror for Inzetter. I play 2 Fiendish Chain in the main deck, so I don't need to. I just side this and leave that. And double dust tonight. Yeah, for the mermaid and yeah, Dark Wood. One compulsory against Mirror Match, only Mirror Match.
But
and
also Girga. Yes.
no, it's better against Girga. Just mermaid. Just Mirror Match and Rabbit. I face 2 Rabbit. I win with both. Shockmaster. 1 prison. Against random deck. Dragon and Hero. Rabbit. And yeah, Rescue Rabbit. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your time, Rocco. Have a nice tournament, nice new tournament. And thank you for
Don't play penalty.
thank you for your time and thank you and good luck and goodbye everyone on YouTube.